So you receive an email with a picture that doesn't work correctly, or you find a drive line around and there's a picture with no data and it just looks corrupted. They could be hiding precious data on there and not want you to find it. If you did want to find it, just need to find out what format it is. So we take it into hexwalk. We can see this header here, which is normally a JPEG. So we've got a JPEG here ready to look at. We're going to hexwalk the JPEG that we think might be a similar fit for it, a similar match. We're going to go from before 4A 1000. That's that first 4 characters. We're going to copy those across. FFDA, FFEO. And then just delete those 4. I think that's a match. Always save as. Made the mistake many times of overwriting some files and then not recovering it. Hopefully lost fix. So it nearly worked, but we need to actually put in the correct copy. Save again. This time we can save. There you go. There's your flag. Now, if you've enjoyed the content and want to see more, just give us a subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.